You want to study in Germany but confused about how to get the student visa? Don't worry, in this video we are learning the exact step to get your German student visa, and I will review common mistakes that leads to rejection so you can avoid them. So let's talk about what is the German student visa. The German student visa, also known as the Studentenvisum, is a residence permit to study in Germany. With a student visa, you can live, work anywhere in Germany, study in Germany, work part-time during your studies, and also visit other Schengen countries without a visa. There are two main types of student visa for Germany. We have the Student Applicant Visa and we have the Student Visa. The Student Applicant Visa is the visa that you've not been admitted yet to a school. Then the Student Visa is the visa that you've already had an admission letter from a school. So make sure to apply for the correct visa. This can save you a lot of delays. You will need the following documents for your visa application. We have the valid passport, the admission letter, the proof of finance, means the block account. We have the health insurance, we have your academic certificate, we have the visa application form, we have your motivational letter, and we have your passport photo, and last, proof of visa payment. So start gathering your documents early to avoid last-minute stress. Booking your appointment. To book your visa appointment, you have to go to the official website of the German embassy or the consulate in your country. Appointments are limited, so don't wait. Book yours as soon as possible. Visa interview tips. Here is how to ace your study visa interview. Be confident and speak clearly. Understand your study plan, the university, your course, and why you choose it. Dress neatly and professionally. Avoid robotic, memorized answer, because they may ask you, why do you want to study in Germany? Why this university? And how will you fund your study? And this leads us to the common mistakes to avoid when applying for your visa application. We have the incomplete documents. We have the weak interview preparation, block account not funded, nervous or rude behavior. So don't let this mistake ruin your chance of getting your visa, okay? Always stay calm, double check your documents and be polite throughout this process, okay? And that is a complete guide to getting a German student visa in 2025. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up, comment your question below, and subscribe for more study abroad tips. And also, check out our previous video on how to study in Germany for free. And don't forget to subscribe so you'll be notified when I'll be dropping the common German student visa interview questions and their answer. Thank you guys for watching.